Thanks for watching. So, this is already the 28th week trading the Emini S&P 500 futures market, and it's the 5th of December 2016. We are 7 months into this project. That's already a long time, and we keep going. Let's see where we end up one day with this. It is really a roller coaster ride, up and down, but we are getting better hopefully over time. Having made some adjustments is not the right thing to do. I shouldn't have done this in the past and should have stick to one thing only. And going forward I will be trying to reverse my initial ideas and the new adjustments I have made. Here on this chart you see the blue trend line is the breakout trend line. This is normally what we trade, and also the green trend line is just a profit target if we can get to this level at one point. Here not a very sufficient trading on this first day. Still the market made a very nice gap and push up prior to the open in the pre-opening session at around 3 o'clock. That's visible on the timeline. Yet if we hit here this blue trend line we should be very careful. So this first day seems to be giving us a solid negative performance, being pushing towards this blue trend line. A bit difficult to trade right from the open there. And see, again we take only 3 contracts as a long position instead of taking 5, and we were in 5 positions in our negative trade, so it doesn't add up. If we take this profit here, let me see if we can take profits on this one. We can. So instead of taking 5 contracts profits for this breakout trade, we take only 3. So if we take -5, +3, it doesn't add up at all. So these are mistakes I make. Will be eliminated one day, for sure. Again, 3 contracts. Well, this was a nice entry. You can see it's right on the spot from the open, 650. Normally I try to enter the market prior to this open a second or so, because sometimes we are not filled, and that would have happened today if I would not have been filled on the previous bar already. But a very neat trade, 5 points. And we should take all profits at this level, 2201.50 for 5 points. That is our daily profit target. This is what I was always saying, daily, the max is 5 points. From my experience, if you try to get more than that, the market will take it all away from you again. You should set your daily profit target and stop trading at that point, because it is quite efficient. So one time you lose, one time you win. But if you happen to win and you did a good trade according to your rules, better stop trading. Don't keep going and lose the money you made on that day. Focus again and come back on the next day. So you will see here we had our perfect trade in the beginning for 3 contracts again. But now what will happen? It's a legit profit target, but we don't have to take it. It's just too far away. And as you will observe here very quickly, the market will not give us the second profit target and will take almost, how much? $400 away from us. more than that. So we close our position here below $800 profit instead of taking $1,250 profit. This is just not very efficient trading, and we will end up this week around $500 minus. So for example, if we would have traded again on the previous day, which you saw 3 contracts, we would have traded 5 contracts for this positive trade. We would have made around $300-400. On this day we would have made around $300-400 extra if we would have taken profits on the right spot. That would be already a break-even week at this point. Okay, no more trades on that previous day. That's also one thing I wanted to mention. That will happen to you as well, I believe. It happens to everyone, that we will not be trading every single day 100%. But that is also very important. Trade your breakout strategies. If you miss one good day only, this could be your winning day. If you focus on one thing, for example, as I said here, this breakout strategy, then try to trade this every single day. Only this one breakout, and see your end results after some time. Because, as I said also, the efficiency is there in this market. So one day you will lose, one day you will win. And you never know when that will happen. So we should be looking at long positions in this case for this breakout. At least after this bar, after the first green bar, we should be looking at long positions. Profit target is roughly 54. Let's see the volume on this next bar. If we have more volume, we should be pushing back into range, unless we close on the trend line, which we do. So still long positions. For example, 50s would be a very good entry point for a long position. Well, if we would have hit 50s from here, we would be break even, of course. But still a good entry point, somewhere in this area. But the market is also sideways, so it's pushed to 50. Now what we could be trading, what we should be looking at, if we want to continue trading, then we should be looking at, so if this trade didn't work here, this first breakout trade, we should be looking at the second one, which should be from 9:30 to 10:30. And we will be drawing our blue trend lines on the top and the bottom price, the highest and lowest price of this time period, 9:30 to 10:30. And then we could try to trade a breakout again at this later stage in the day. Also very, very good trade and very valid. Many people are trading this breakout and a lot of volume will come in. But okay, let's see. So also no indication on this day. We have something here. So this is a minus $600 week, almost. Yeah, this is how it is. This is how it is. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope you make some progression and you can take a lot of profits at home. So have a good week and take care. Bye-bye.